Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create an Instagram highlight. So since you can see, I have not added any Instagram highlight as of now, but I did have uploaded a story earlier this time. So what we will be doing is adding that story to the highlight first. So in order to do this, simply go to the home tab and click on your story. Then here you can see that this is the story. Now to add it into a highlight, click on this highlight button at the bottom. Once you have clicked it, you may name that highlight. So for example, I'll name it, for example, let's say travel, and then you may click on this add button right here. And once you have done this, you can see that this story has been successfully added to our highlights. You can click on this view on profile button, and here you can see that this highlight has been successfully created. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.